In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up email campaign in Hubspot. Start by logging into your Hubspot account and looking at the main navigation. Head to the marketing menu and then select Email. This area is where you create and manage marketing emails, including drafts, scheduled sends, and performance tracking after your message goes out. Once you are on the email dashboard, click Create Email. HubSpot will prompt you to choose the type of email you want to build. Select Regular. A regular email is a standard one-time marketing message, which is ideal for announcements, newsletters, promotions, and general campaign sends. Next, you will choose a template. Templates help you move faster because they already include a layout with sections for text, images, and buttons. Pick a template that matches your goal and the amount of content you plan to include. If you want your email to be easy to scan, choose a cleaner layout with clear spacing. After you select your template, the email editor will open. Now edit your content. Click into each module to update text, add links, and adjust images. Keep your message focused and make sure the most important details appear near the top. If your template includes a call to action button, make the button text direct and specific so the reader knows what to do next. As you edit, take a moment to check formatting and spacing so everything looks consistent. When your content is in place, click Settings. This is where you add a subject line. Your subject line should clearly reflect the value of the email and match what the reader will see inside, to help maintain trust and improve engagement. After that, click Review and Send. This review step is your final checkpoint. Scan for typos, confirm links work as expected, and make sure the email looks ready to send. Finally, select your recipients. Choose the correct audience or list so the email reaches the right contacts. When you are ready, click Send to deliver it immediately, or choose Schedule to send it at a specific time. That covers everything you need to know.